Turn on the garage. YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Will, back in the building with another video. How you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm Will. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and checking out this video. In this video, I just wanted to share my experience of turning my 2-car garage into the ultimate man cave or woman cave. My wife gets mad when I say man cave because this is for everybody. So I guess it's a people cave. Entertainment area, the chill spot, the 2-car garage, ultimate chill spot. Yeah, that's what it is. My wife had this idea to say, hey, let's turn our garage into like an entertainment area. And I said, oh, that's a great idea. From there, she said, she wanted a bar. That was like her only request, was she wanted a bar in here. This place is pretty big. I really wanted to get like a nice sized bar, because it's gonna be like the focal point of the room. So I wanted something around like 7 or 8 feet. When I went to Google, bro, the prices for like a bar that big literally was like in $1,000 range. I came up with this really crazy idea and said, you know what? I'm gonna build a bar. Mind you, my experience with building things is like IKEA furniture. I have no woodworking experience. Anybody who's out there who's thinking about doing this same type of project, like building an outside bar or a bar in general, that you would get inspired by this video, because I'm no woodworker, and bro, I figured it out. I just want to kind of give you guys like the process I went through to make this all happen. The whole idea is to have this bar right here in this section, and we're gonna get another TV up here. This is the before of everything before I got started, and now we're gonna like deck it out and make this a nice chill area for everybody to come and hang out at. I have 5 days to complete this task, and I still gotta do a whole bunch of other stuff. So we're gonna make this garage into a bar, a nice chill spot for everybody to come over. So let us know if y'all want to come over and hang out with us. Yeah, bring some tip money. If you're drinking at our bar, you gotta at least tip. You know what I mean? So I really wanted to get some ideas for like a theme for this outside entertainment area. So of course you go to Pinterest, and I found a few ideas of people who built DIY bars, and I was like, yo, I could do this. I could do this. I got this. I sat down on my iPad and I just drew up a little sketch and said, okay, so I know the focal point is going to be this bar. We want to put a TV behind the bar. We want to have a secondary TV, and then we wanted to have couches, so that way we can have like a lounge area, so you can just kick back, feel at home, and come vibe out with us. So I did all my measurements to say, okay, I know I need X amount of 2x6s and 2x4s. I decided to take the leap, go to Home Depot, and get all of this lumber or wood, whatever you call it. I'm like, yo, let's go. I went to Home Depot, me and my wife, earlier, and I somewhat kind of sketched up a bar that I am going to be making out of all of that wood that is sitting right there. Now, I'm not gonna lie, in the process of building this bar, it took a lot out of me to like really do this. Like, I never cut wood before, and I just used Google and YouTube. Like, I literally YouTubed how to use a Kreg pocket jig, because I don't know nothing about that. Like, I don't know nothing about that. Finally got like the base pretty much already ready to go, but I did want to kind of give you some measurements of how I kind of decided to do all of this. All of these pieces right here, this is going to be my frame. I did pocket holes. I believe it's 2.5-inch pocket holes. These are going to be the crossbars for the top and the bottom. So these are my legs right here, and what I did was I measured 1 inch off the ground. So the first bottom shelf will start right here. A tabletop is pretty much gonna stop right here, and then the actual bar top is gonna go at the top of here. This is 35 inches off the ground, and by the time I stick the bar top on, it'll be 42 inches, which is the standard height for a bar top. You would think that this would be kind of hard. Maybe I'm talking too fast, but it's really not that bad once you start measuring. Even if it's like your first DIY project, I highly recommend to give it a go. Let's go ahead and at least get the frame so we can start seeing the vision, you feels me? This is the frame of it right here. And I just got done adding some support beams in the center. You can do a lot like with just the power of Google and YouTube learning. YouTube University is the truth. We now on day 3 of the bar build. This is the status right now. It's pretty much the full base. I use black spray paint. I just wanted to create like some contrast. Then I went ahead and I started building the tabletop the way I wanted it to have it, to where I can make drinks on a level surface, and then also on a top part to where people sitting at the bar, they could, you know, boom, here go your drink, you know, like that. I've already started to put this countertop for the bar together. So the way that I'm creating it is one long one straight across, and then I got the 2 that wrap around, and then I'm gonna start filling in. So like right now you see it's another flat one that's gonna go inside here. To screw these in, I just use some pocket screws right here that goes into like this stud that's right here. It took me a total of 4 days, 3 days to actually complete this entire bar. I added side panels, and I also added these front panels. The stain that I got was this wood finish right here, and this is the bottom of it, and I'm not sure if I really like the stain. I think we are deciding to leave it blank, but today is the last day, and I gotta put down carpet. I just finished putting sheetrock up there on the wall. We got a TV over here, 58. It was from Walmart, it was cheap, so that's what we got. Today is day 4. Not bad. Not bad at all. I really wanted to paint the floor of this garage because the floor really needs to be redone. But by the time I thought about it, I had so much stuff in here, and I'm just like, whatever. I'm through with it. I don't even care. So what we decided to do was we went to back to Home Depot. A whole lot of trips to Home Depot. And we got some outdoor carpet. I'm about to go ahead and slide all of my couches and stuff out the way so I could put down this really cheap brown carpet we got from Home Depot. But yo, the project came out so dope. It's the vibe. You already know, you got to create that vibe. We got that open sign from Amazon, because I mean, what's a bar without an open sign, right? I'm gonna give you guys like a tour of it, somewhat tour of the bar, just so you can kind of see everything that's kind of like going on and the whole shebang real quick. You got anything I should add in? So did I do a good job?
I can hear you.
I'm talking about with the thing.
It's okay.
Don't be a hater. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go vlog style on this. It's gonna be simpler. These are 2 bar stools that we picked up from IKEA. They look real good. They fit the aesthetic of the room. I added some LEDs at the bottom around the bar. These are made by Govee. I featured them in a video. I could easily make it red, orange, blue. I made like a whole review. And these actually even sync to music. Right here is my couch section. I got this little TV unit from IKEA. It was like $100. This TV right here is 32 inch, nothing too crazy. We have connection here to do dual screen. So I use a Fire Stick into an HDMI splitter. So that way I can have the same football game or movie on both screens. Right here we got our little drink menu. These are just some drinks that I learned how to make. When we had our Logan versus Floyd fight party, these are all the drinks that everybody was ordering. And yeah, I'm a pretty good bartender, if I must say so myself. One of the coolest parts is the little mini bar we got hung up on the wall. It's really not the greatest little mini bar, but it was pretty cheap. Every bar has to have one of these. It's the mini fridge. It's hella loud for no reason. This is the Magic Chef. When I was building this, I did make sure I measured so that it would fit. I built this little shelf right here, and also the Govee LED strip. It pretty much runs from one side of the bar under, and then it comes in here, and then it shines so I can see everything that's down here. Every bar needs one of these. It's a beer top opener. So you just come here, you crack it open, the top falls inside of the little bin right there. I'll leave links in the description for pretty much all the stuff that I'm kind of talking about in case that you guys are interested. It really came out way better than I really imagined. But if you are deciding to do this, I would definitely recommend to sit down and just kind of plan it out. So this is my view right here from the bar behind it. And what I really liked about this design was how I have this shelf right here where I can actually make drinks, and then to serve them, you just stick it up. It's definitely not perfect, but it's definitely a good start to what me and my wife imagined about having like a bar in our garage. Also, let me know if you guys want to see more videos about our garage bar, how we're gonna up it. I'm definitely gonna do like a desk build out here, and you probably will start seeing some videos being filmed out here just so I could kind of change the aesthetic up, change the vibe on the channel. Maybe some review videos, who knows. Let me know if you guys want to come and hang out, vibe out, watch some sports, and yeah, we can do the thing. But yeah guys, I hope that you guys got some inspiration out of this video, got some great ideas if you're doing this project or just a woodworking project in general. Like I said, you can definitely do it. You know, it just takes a lot of planning and preparation, but you got this. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave your boy a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and remember guys, never stop creating. Deuces. But I'm not gonna lie, when I spent $300-ish in Home Depot, I'm like, man, I hope that this thing comes out good, because man, $300 is a lot to waste if it don't come out right.